Welcome back to second shift, folks. Well, we've gotten here. We've gotten to the point where all of the metal parts of the motorcycle are the same color once again. The color's not blue, the color's primer gray. Tomorrow, all of this goes to Ultimate Auto Body in Raleigh, and it's going to get painted. So, just one more time, going through the parts. Rear brake pedal, right and left toolboxes, right and left foot pegs, swing arm, rear subframe seat brace thing, license plate and taillight bracket, headlight bucket, right and left foot pegs. These go in here. Chain guard, front fender, rear fender, tank, and frame. It's been a long road. I can't say that I have enjoyed all of this sanding, filling, but it has had its own reward. So, I'm very excited to get this off to Jeremy in the morning and get to work on polishing all the other stuff. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Epilogue. "12 seconds later. Many minutes later. One eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
All right, let's see how we did. It's just a coincidence that the tape is blue. These are the OEM new old stock forks I bought a while back. Never been on a motorcycle. The forks, that is. I have. I've been on more than one motorcycle. Wrapped. It's pretty close. These look a little lighter. Let's unwrap some more here.
Eventually.
Well, that wasn't working out, so let's try another method. This one time on forensic files.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, hater. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. I think this is going to be awesome, kids. All right. On to the next episode.